Unscrambling Idioms, Understanding a Bad Egg. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we embark on the exciting journey of mastering the English language. Today, we're going to crack open the meaning behind the phrase, a bad egg. It's an intriguing idiom that can be quite useful in everyday conversation. So, let's get ready to understand what it means and how you can use it to express yourself more vividly in English. Before we dive into our phrase of the day, let's first understand what an idiom is. An idiom is a figure of speech where the words together have a meaning that is different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. Idioms are a staple in many languages and are often used to convey complex ideas in a more colorful and succinct way. Now, let's crack the shell of our main topic, a bad egg. This phrase is used to describe a person who is untrustworthy or dishonest. The term, egg, in this idiom is a metaphor for a person's character. Just like a bad egg is not obvious from the outside but is rotten on the inside. A person who is a bad egg appears normal but has negative qualities hidden beneath the surface. The origin of a bad egg is quite fascinating. It's believed to date back to the 19th century. Initially, the phrase was a good egg, which was used to refer to someone who was a good person or a reliable friend. Over time, the opposite phrase, a bad egg, emerged to refer to someone who was not good or reliable. Let's put this idiom into action. Here are a few examples of how to use a bad egg in sentences. I wouldn't trust him with my money. He's known to be a bad egg. The team is great, but beware of the bad egg who doesn't do his share of the work. She seemed nice at first, but turned out to be a bad egg. It's important to note that a bad egg is quite informal and may not be suitable for all contexts. It is perfectly fine to use in casual conversations or in creative writing, but it might not be appropriate in formal or professional settings. Knowing when and with whom you can use certain idioms is an essential part of language learning. And that's everything you need to know about the phrase, a bad egg. Now you can add this idiom to your English language arsenal and use it to describe someone who is not what they appear to be. Remember, idioms are a great way to make your language richer and more expressive. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using English idioms like a native speaker. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.